Okay, there we go. Here, jump in the all the fucking trades already from Trendsetter are already hit. I don't know if I'm gonna catch an open and bell play or a play in general. I'm trying to see a US 30 or NASDAQ still making another pullback for more buys or not. Ugh. Excuse me. Yo, what up, Sojo? Fuck yeah, we might not get an entry today. It's already made the move, and I called the buy from the bottom earlier. Robbed them blind. That buy was your only trade? Yeah. Get back, get back. You don't know me like
You don't
that.
know me like that. God. The what? The purse? Oh.
This ES buy right here looks kind of good. Right now, Trendsetter's calling for buys that are way down below, so I don't think any of those will honestly get filled unless we flip bearish here.
Got that one, buddy. Got it. Push through. Push, 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 push. Said push me, and then just touch me.
Satisfaction. 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 Damn, this ES buy actually does good.
You ready to go now?
Damn. That was the move. Little scalpy scalp.
Buddy.
Yeah, these continuations are going to be huge, possibly. Wanted to see them pull back a little bit more, but it is what it is.
I'm gonna hit you when I get back to the crib. I'm gonna text bring to work.
All right, I see it. Be safe.
My man.
You hear me?
I'm calling you.
All right, I see it.
Yeah, I heard you. I'm gonna call you back.
ES was actually a pretty good setup. It's already over 1 to 1 on the wrist. What I am. Yo, Shoujo, you there? Mark off this 1 hour SMA right here. Excuse me. Looks like we might be getting themselves showing up here shortly. VWAP has this crazy curl down. We did have two big bearish candles here to, to start causing that, but it looks like we kind of started hooking right here. I'm gonna be very apprehensive. I want to see some more internal liquidities hit or something. We could see some sells here, to be honest. Got our inversion, fair value gap. I'll mark up a paper trade sell here. I think this is like a scalp opportunity. Retrace for 165. This is just a paper setup, guys. I'm really, I'm really leaning. This is a counter. The reason why this is paper because this is a counter trend trade. Right now, we look at the 1 hour here. We got to break out of the trend line. Huge engulfments, a lot of bullish pressure here, so we could see a continuation. And we swept this low right here. We hit this wick. So I think we took out this candle, if I'm not mistaken. The candle's low is 53. Yeah, that's 53. 301. This one's low is 53.11. So it did not swipe that liquidity, but it still looks pretty bullish. SX bouncing that low time frame bullish structure here. It's gonna be a paper markup as well too, because I kind of want to see more of a pullback, but pressure could just go crazy right now. I can see US 30 pull all the way back to this trend line it broke before, and then continue bullishly. No currently active trades on my account. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. NQ's doing NQ things. It's already over 1-to-1 on that. Who I am. To come back to previous weekly low, hitting this fair value gap. I kind of want to try MIM to be honest. If you try MIM, make sure you go light. See what this 5 minute looks like. 5 minute gap as well. 1 minute left on this candle. And technically it's inverted right here. Fair value gap over here. It inverted this one, fair back up over there. Trend is so strong with the bulls. Damn, I hate when that happens. That lowers the probability of things a bit. All right, looking good so far. I'll move entry. Okay, let's see what's happening. MES has same structure for pullbacks potentially. MNQ has a divergence to ES. We're almost at a 1-to-1 ratio on this US 30. 5-minute SMA is all the way down here. 1-minute SMA is right there.
Hello.
Yo, yo.
Hello.
Yo, what up, B?
Still going stupid, huh?
Apparently, she ain't done with it.
Bro, what the
MIM,
fuck?
if y'all want to go break even on it, y'all can. Because it's a bit of a lower probability trade here.
Stupid. 1,000 pips from where we got in at.
Insane.
Insane. Anybody need my link?
He said, anybody need a link?
Fuck, what so is it?
All right, looks like we're coming back to break even here. They're still giving me vibes. They want to pull back at opening into these zones for more buys potentially. My break even's about to hit. Okay. All right. Well, this was fun while it lasted.
I got a question.
What's up?
You already smacked, right?
Huh?
You already hit for today?
Yeah, on one of my accounts. Yeah.
Oh, so why you still trading? You said one of your accounts.
Yeah, that was just the beginning move. I still have the live stream today. I'm
Oh,
watching to see
okay.
what happens. I called that trade out in the traders talk community
Uh,
for the buys on MNQ, but the buys honestly I see it as a potentially higher time frame move, so we could see, you know, a decent sized buy on MNQ.
bro, she did all this before the session. What do you think she finna do when the session start? Like,
I mean, it could continue, but you know, I'm kind of thinking she might pull back into some liquidity. That's why I got some buy zones on her, and then just kind of let her play.
dude. Serena said, dude, give it a rest, buddy.
Dude, chill.
Dude, he sounded like
You know the turtle from Nemo? Like, mhm.
Alright, guys, I might try this US 30 entry again.
uh,
Alright, I'm gonna try it one more time. Stop loss is not gonna be too big on this. Make sure you go light. I wouldn't even risk 1% on this, to be honest with you. Do like a 1/4% entry, 1/4% risk on this. We get a 1 to 4 possibly on that. That'll get you 1% on that trade. Good push down so far. We got 19 seconds on opening. All right, we hit TP1 here for a 1-to-1 risk. Boom, TP2 hit. TP3 hit. Take money, take money, take money. Take some money here. Go break even on the rest. Like I said, this is a scalp. I took my partial at previous day high right there. NASDAQ came down to our buy zone. Might catch some buys on NASDAQ. Make sure you guys take some money on US 30. We just hit 100 points on that. That's a 1 to 4, guys. 1 to 4. Oh wait, no. Now it hit a 1 to 4. Now we hit 1 to 4. You risk a 1/4%. You just weigh 1% of your account, just like that. Honestly, Nasdaq might have some more sells to her. All right, this is TP4. TP4 on US 30 for 140 points. Nasdaq, if you want to be risky with Nasdaq, you can go into some sells here. If you want to be risky with it, because I think she's got some downside potential on her. We just go super light. Like you just made some profits on US 30, so I wouldn't per se be risking all the profits from that. US 30 still falling. If Nasdaq starts to invert some shit on the 1 minute, then I'll believe the buys. But I kind of see sells a little bit more. I think it still wants to sell back some more before buying up. Not yes. US 30. Hopefully we can get down to 200 points on this run right here. You should be trailing your stop loss at 545. Perfect. Okay, so now I will be closing 90% of the trade on US 30. We come down to our retest zone for the buy. NQ made a decisive bullish closure here, so I'm gonna believe that it's gonna continue buying. You should close out of those light risk sells. And we're done for the day. US 30 could make some type of bullish indication here that it wants to buy up some more, but that's cool if it wants to. We just caught 200 points easy on that on US 30. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, we took a small loss on it, which is fine. This paper trade loss. Thank God I didn't actually take it. And then we lost right here, so nothing too crazy. Still up a couple $100 on the day. Austin, stop. Leave my leg alone. think this is the buy zone. Is this the area that I was looking on Trendsetter? Oh, no, shit. I'm at NYM. NQ. Yeah, NQ's about to start his cells now. Okay. Well, GG everybody. GG in the chat. GG for everyone that took the trades with me. We got our win on NYM. We took a small loss on NQ, totally fine. But later on, wanted to get the sell. I was kind of being a little bit. I should have had a bigger stop loss on it since we were risking so light, and we could have scaled in up off of this fair value gap here as well too, or even just taking another small entry right here as well too, risking not even risking like a 1/4% again, and let that fly from there. But totally fine. Do some good trades here for the day. Good profit as well too. If anybody has questions or need anything as well, make sure you go ahead and comment in the chat. Use the community section as well too. Talk with our moderators, talk with the other community members, and yeah, man, let's get to this fucking bread. I do have to go ahead and leave out so I can be on time for this dinner. If you guys message me, I'll see it as soon as I'm done eating. GG, guys. Peace out.